Victory begins at Vidyalakshmi.
Hello all, welcome to Vidyalakshmi YouTube channel. Here today we are going to discuss very important thing on SSLC public examination on social science especially. Here in this video we are going to discuss how to score highest mark and what are the ways we have to follow to get the same. This video has 3 segments. Segment 1, how to get Centum in social science, how to get highest mark as well. In second segment, we are going to discuss question pattern and the method of learning. In third segment, management of time during the time of examination. Time management is very important, very important. So watch the video until the end. First, segment 1, how to get full mark or centum in social science. It's very easy. We have to focus on the textbook. You should thorough with all the book back exercises. Other than, you have to follow some additional things here. First, you must prepare well higher order thinking questions, which is called HOTS. In your textbook, various parts are there. The blue colored fact corner, somewhere do you know corner, then every lesson has summaries. These things should be prepared well during the time of examination, which will help you to get full mark in all the 1 marks. And short answer, question number 28, which is compulsory. Next, the student must focus this criteria, all the distinguish between and timeline, history map, India map as well as world map, geography map, question number 44, A and B. A, India map, B, Tamil Nadu map. In this map corner, all must write your question number which is given on the question paper, and appropriate places should be marked with accuracy. Then, civics part. Civics is very important for our daily life. So you should focus on fundamental rights, fundamental duties, and all the parts, articles, amendments of our Indian Constitution. Economics concern. So many definitions are there, especially for gross national product, gross domestic product, per capita income, food security, etc. And the first lesson has many formulas. Then the fourth lesson has taxes and its types and its importance. And the fifth lesson has industrial agencies and its major role in industrial development. So all must focus on these topics. If you focus these topics, sure you can get Centum. Segment 2, question pattern and the learning methods of book. Especially in first, all the students must focus on these criteria, especially question numbers 1 to 14 stands for choose the correct answer or MCQ. It's 14 marks. Then question number 29 is fill in the blanks for 5 marks. Question number 41 is timeline, 5 marks. Question number 42 is a map, compulsory question, 5 marks. Then question number 44, geography map, India and choice Tamil Nadu, it stands for 8 marks. So if you prepare these criteria, you can score 37 marks. You must get 37 out of 37 in this criteria. How to prepare these questions? Especially 1 marks, part 1, 1 to 14, 1 to 5 questions from history, 6 to 10 from geography, 11 and 12 from civics, 13 and 14 from economics. In rare case, it may differ. Sometimes 3 questions from civics or sometimes 3 questions from economics. Method of study. How to score 14 out of 14, 5 out of 5 in Phillips. Part 1 has MCQs. Part 3, question number 29 has Phillips. So total 1 marks is 19 marks. Here, all book back exercises should be thorough. Blue color box corner, do you know corner, and all QR code questions and answers for 1 marks. So QR code is very important. You can get additional things from there. Here, the question pattern. Question number 15 to 19 from history, 20 to 23 from geography, 24 to 25, 24 and 25 civics, 26 and 27 from economics. 28th question is compulsory, which may asked from any part of the book, from history, geography, civics and economics. So you have to focus 28th question. You have to prepare important content which is given in your book, as we discussed, from do you know corner, HOTS question, higher order thinking questions, and the blue color boxes, as well as do you know corner. How to prepare long answers, especially 5 mark questions. In this section, you have 14 questions and you have to select any 10 out of it. Question number 42 is compulsory. The questions may expected from question number 29, carry as fill in the blanks or match the following, but it's not mandatory. Sometimes it may omit it. So you have to prepare 1 marks as well as long answers also. Then 4 questions from history, 3 questions from geography, including distinguish between and give reason, and 2 questions from civics and 2 questions from economics. Here, question number 41 stands for timeline. You have to check the timeline, whether it's an Indian event or a world event. You have to prepare both the events here. Sometimes in question papers, they mention specific heading for timeline. Especially in 2025 question paper, they asked national movement events. So you have to write Indian events only. Suppose if they did not ask any specific topic on events, you can shuffle both India and world events. Next, question number 42, as I said already, it's a compulsory question. It is a map. It can be either world map or India map. The world map concern, you have to prepare allies countries, central powers, and the countries involved both world wars. Next, choice, maybe other question. India map, you have to practice well on these 2 headings. 1857, the Great Rebellion centers, the national movement centers, especially which is called Gandhian era from 1917 to 1947. Next, part number 4, it's a essay type questions. Here you have 2 questions. Question number 43 is detailed answer and question number 44 is a map. Here, question number 43, A and B, you will have a choice. The answer may from history part. In rare cases, question number 43A from history, B from geography from 2023 public question paper. And question number 44A, it's compulsory India map. You have to prepare these criteria from lessons 1 to 5. Lesson 1, physical features of India. In that you have to practice all the physical divisions like mountains, ghats, straits, gulfs, rivers, plateaus, islands, and desert. In second climate lesson of second lesson is a climate lesson. You have to practice all the direction of both southwest monsoon and southeast monsoon. Then types of forest and biosphere reserves in India. And the third lesson concerns types of soil and cropping growing regions. Then fourth lesson, mineral resources, especially iron ore, coal, and petroleum and natural gas, and nuclear power stations in India. You have to practice all this. From fifth lesson, especially longest national highway, railway zones, rail route, and the major important airports and sea ports and air routes and sea routes should be practiced. Next, in Tamil Nadu also is the same. Physical divisions of Tamil Nadu, 4 extremities of Tamil Nadu, mountains, rivers, plateaus, islands, and what we discussed already, regions of heavy rainfall and biosphere reserves, types of forest, cropping growing region, mineral resources, and national highways in Tamil Nadu, and railway zones, and international airports and seaports of Tamil Nadu. You have to prepare well. Next, time management is very, very important during examinations. Especially all the students must on conscious as well as presence of mind while writing examination. Each and every minute is your mark. So the mark fetching time of you is exam time. Here, first, part 1, 1 marks. It stands 1 to 14 questions, 14 marks. You have to take 20 minutes. Especially when you are entering to the examination at 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock to 10:15. You have to prepare your question paper. You have to read the question papers from top to bottom, and you have to select all the question which is well known. You have to select, and you have to take 20 minutes to complete 14 questions. In part 2, it's a short answer, question number from 15 to 28. 28 is compulsory already, you know. You have to focus on this. Each and every short answer should carry heading, suitable heading, and you have to take 40 minutes for this part, especially from 10:36 to 11:15. Part 3 is essay type question or detailed answer. Question number from 29 to 42. 42 is a very compulsory question. You have to take 70 minutes for this part from 11:16 to 12:25 noon. Next year, 43rd question, part number 4, 8-mark question. Especially 43 is a detailed answer or essay type question. You have to take 15 minutes to complete this. Especially you have to make synopsis for this essay type question. Then you can get full mark. Finally, it's 44th question, and you have to select A or B, but the places should be marked in accurate place. Then only you can get 8 out of 8 in this criteria. You can take 20 minutes to mark this. Especially all must focus on question number, part number on the map. Especially your public exam answer script as first 4 pages are maps. So you have to mention correct question number, correct part number, as well as accurate place on the map. So wish you all the best for examination. Get good score. Follow all the criteria which is given in the video, and you will get 100 out of 100 in social science. Wish you all the very best.